Welcome back. In today's video, I will be giving a step-by-step guide on installing the Mira Select Flex Thermostatic Mixer Shower. First thing, ensure our pipes are at 150 ml centers. With this particular shower, there is a tolerance of about 10 ml either way. Locate the supplied Allen key. Loosen the two grub screws on the bottom of the valve and remove the brass bracket. Now we need to trim our hot and cold feeds to the right length. On this shower, we need them to protrude from the wall around 18 to 20 mil. Slide on the chrome pipe collars, followed by the nuts. As you can see here, this is where the 10 mil tolerance for the pipe centers come from. Offer up the shower valve and make sure it's pressed firmly against the wall. Take a pencil and trace around the edge of the valve. Retrieving the brass bracket we removed earlier, hold it in the center of our pencil mark. Mark where our fixing holes are, taking care to position it in such a way not to puncture the hot or cold feed. Drill these holes with a 6 mil masonry bit. Pop in red plugs. Screw the brass bracket into place using the supplied stainless steel screws. While we are here, pop the olives into place ready for the next stage. Apply a very small amount of plumber's paste here. It must be a very small amount as most thermostatic mixer showers have a fine particle filter. If excess amounts of paste becomes dislodged, it could clog the filter and affect its performance. Hold the shower into place and tighten up these nuts. Now tighten the two grub screws with the Allen key we used earlier. Take these two white inserts and the chrome covers and clip them into position here. That's the valve installed, the hard part done. Locate the brackets for the riser rail and the riser rail. Mark on the wall your desired fixing height. Remove the chrome covers for the brackets and carefully put aside. Press the brackets into position like this. Drill the hole for the bottom bracket. Pop in a plug and mount the bottom bracket. Using a level, ensure the riser rail is plumb. Then mark for the top fixing. Drill for the top bracket and pop in a plug. Now remove the rail so we can install the accessories. Locate the shower head bracket. The chrome section is cone-shaped. The widest end of the cone needs to be on top. The bracket slides into place by squeezing these white sections on either side. Slide the soap dish holder onto the bottom end, like so. Slip the rail back onto the bottom bracket. Pop a screw into the top bracket. The chrome covers we removed earlier. Soap dish. Now retrieve the hose, being careful not to lose the rubber washers located in each end. Attach one end to the shower valve, hand tight. Pass the other end through the soap dish. Attach the shower head, hand tight. If you have a suggested project you would like me to make a video on, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.